So we decided we would try and understand the difference in quality between our product and a competing product. The competing product should not have been copying these designs anyway, but we thought we would figure out what was different about them. Before we even try and figure out what's different in terms of the internal components, let's take a listen just to hear the difference. Ready? Let's try this one. This is the competing product, or knockoff. Whoa, big difference. Looks the same, seems to almost function the same, but it really isn't. Something else. After a few ups and downs, we had pieces chipping and falling out of this, so probably not going to last very long. Also, it isn't sturdy. Now look at this. Smooth, sturdy, quality.